Hi everyone! Welcome to Arco Residences, a rising community that offers modern living, a great value, and convenient all in one place. Today, samahan niyo akong explore ang ating mga model units dito sa Arco Residence and with their amenities. Let's go! Here we have our silver unit. This is good for starting family or investors. Okay. Now we have here our gold unit. This one is good for big family, like 3 or 4 in a family. This is the best one that I can offer you. And last but not the least, we have our platinum unit. This can be expand into 5 bedrooms. This is good for a bigger family. And in terms of their amenities, we have basketball court, jogging trail, our swimming pool, space area, and our Japanese-inspired clubhouse. And we also have, only here in Arco Residence, our glamping area. And for more information, you can message me. I'm Marie of Domicile Real Estate, and I'll be happy to assist you. See you soon!